Hello guys, welcome to Types of Testing in Software Quality. Testing is backbone of the quality software. As always, all you know that the testing is the part of the SDLC. So, my opinion is that in this video we shall explore the sessional type of testing every software professional should know. Whether you are beginner, you are student, or you are currently work any other place and you want to more know about the software testing or sessional pro. Understanding these testing methods is crucial to deliver the reliable up-free application. So let's dive in and discover the key testing types to ensure your software works as expected. Yes, there is types of the testing is manual testing and automation testing. In this video, we covered the left side of the manual testing, of course, and here is we have the follow the hierarchy, which is a top-down approach and bottom-up approach. So in manual testing, we have the white box testing, black box testing, gray box testing. Further, we black box testing divided into functional and non-functional testing. Functional testing having have the unit testing, integration, system testing. Non-functional are those the performance, usability, compatibility, load testing, stress testing, stability. So these all we cover topics in this video. The functional testing, with examples and the tools. Non-functional testing, regression testing, unit testing, acceptance testing, system testing and their objectives, integration testing, CMOX testing, sanity testing, exploratory, black box testing and objectives, white box testing and their objectives, security testing and objectives, functional testing. Focus on verifying that the application behaves as expected according to the functional requirement. So here is the example like testing login functionality with valid and invalid credentials, verifying that at add to cart button add that the correct item it's work properly when user click on that and what output we get. Here are some steps involved in functional testing: create input values, execute test cases, compare actual and expected output. So here is we talk about the functional testing. So some open source functional testing tools include Selenium, which is used for the web applications, the APM tool, which is used for mobile application testing, automation testing, JMeter, which is API testing, and also for the performance testing. Robot Framework, Cypress, Catalan Studio, TestLink. These are all examples with the web applications and mobile applications for their performance testing and for API testing. You can for the functional testing as well. Non-functional testing. Non-functional testing is a type of software testing that performed to verify the non-functional requirements of the application. It verifies whether the application of the system is as per requirement or not. So here is the some types of the non-functional testing like performance testing, usability testing, scalability testing, load testing, stress testing, and many more. So we discuss here the three main type of the non-functional testing is performance testing. Checks that the speed, which checks the speeds and responsive under the load. For example, the load testing a website with 1,000 concurrent users. Usability testing. Ensure the application is user friendly. For example, testing how easily a new user can navigate a mobile app, banking app, and another app. The scalability testing. Ensure the system can handle growth. Like example, adding service to cloud app and checking the response time. So now we will talk about the process of the non-functional testing. Same as the other testing as well. We follow that. Firstly, we requirement a requirement of gathering. We gather the requirement, then planning how to do this. The test cases design, execution, analysis and reporting, defect management, and retesting. Or in the last, the test closure. The regression testing. The regression testing is type of software testing that verify that new code changes, enhancement, or bug fixing do not negatively impact the existing functionality of the application. The purpose is to ensure the new updates have not introduced new defects in previously working parts of the software. For example, here the scenario I described, an e-commerce application introduce a new features of applying discount coupons. So in this, we followed some of the steps like existing functionality to verify. First, we check the product search, add to cart, the payment gateway. In the second step, we introduce the new features, apply coupon. Step 3. The regression testing includes verify the new coupon of the feature works, ensure existing functionality like product search, card, and payment are not broken. They are all functions and features are properly work. Unit testing is a software testing techniques where individual components or functional function of the program are tested in isolation to verify that they work as expected. It focused on the testing small units of the code such as function, method, or classes to ensure they perform correctly. So here is some unit testing examples. If I the scenario testing of function to calculate the square of the number. Suppose you have the following Python functions. So there is the def square in brackets and number written number and multiply the number. So here we write some test cases, positive test cases and negative test cases and sorry, zero. So input, if we input the inside the functions is 4, the expected output is 16. If we apply the 0, the expected output is 0. If negative, the minus 3 input in this function, its expected output is 9. Acceptance testing. Acceptance testing is final phase of software testing conduct to determine whether system meets business requirement and is ready for release to the end user. It ensures that software delivered the expected outcome and work as intent in real world scenario. A key objective of the acceptance testing. Validate that software meets the business need, ensure it works correctly for the end user, verify that all functionality behave as expected in production like environment, identify issue that may have been missed during earlier testing phases. Now we are talk about the examples or scenario for the UAT testing. So here we have one of project which is online banking application. Some scenarios and step and expected result. The scenario, if we talk about the successful login, follow the steps, the enter valid username and password, click login, and we get the expected result is dashboard appears successfully. Like them, like that, the fund transfer, select receipt, enter amount, confirm transfer, the success message appeared, transfer complete. Incorrect credential, enter invalid username and password, click login, error appear, invalid credential. Account statement download, select statement, click download PDF. PDF file download successfully. Here we cover or UAT testing like positive and negative is the error and success message and error message. System testing is the level of software testing where the complete integrated system in is testing as whole to verify that it meets the specified requirements. It focuses on validating end-to-end functionality of the application in production-like environment. Here is the feature of the some system testing. Test the entire system as unified product. Predefined after integration testing, before acceptance testing. Involve both functional and non-functional testing types. Conducted in production-like environment with real data input. Here is the objective of the system testing. First, verify the functional and non-functional requirements. Ensure the system meets both business and technical specification. Validate end-to-end flow. Test the interaction of the integrated components and subsystems. Identify system-wide defect issues in overall system behavior. Simulate real-world scenarios. Evaluate system in environment that may mix production. Scenario of system testing. Test scenario, steps, and expected result. User registrations, fill the registration form and submit the success message account created. Add item to cart, browse the product, click add to cart, verify the cart. The expected result is product appears in the cart. Checkout process, select product, checkout, then complete payment. The order confirmation email is received. And there is many more examples. Integration testing. Integration testing is a software testing level where individual components, modules, or system are combined and testing as a group to verify that they interact correctly and work together as expected. It ensures data flow and communication between modules are seamless. Some key objectives of integration testing. Verify that integrated components work together as intended. Identify the issue, data flow, and interaction between modules. Catch integration related defects early to avoid the system wide problems. Ensure the correctness and consistency of the interface between the components. Why is integration testing needed? Individual modules may pass unit testing but still fail when integrated due to incorrect interface design, data format or type mismatch, missing or broken communication between components. Integration testing ensures that components work together as undefined system, unified system. Example of integration testing. Here we have one of project online shopping applications. We have modules of the here so we have three modules: login modules, product catalog module, payment module. The login module authenticate the user, product catalog display the product, payment module is process the payment. These three modules are integrated with themselves. So we run the some test cases. Either they are uh, completely run our test cases as per what user want. They verify the login and product browsing payment flow. The step user logs in from successfully, browse product and add on items to cart. The proceed to the payment page and make a successful payment. And our expected result should be the user login product display correctly, payment process successfully, confirmation message appear. Through these test cases, we know these all three modules are connected with together and is integrated, as we said, integrated with the test cases too. Data flow mismatch between the login and payment. Simulate the invalid session token to verify the error handling. Smoke testing. Smoke testing is type of software testing that determines whether the critical functionality of the applications are working correctly after a new build or release. It acts as the quick health check to ensure the software is stable enough for more rigorous testing. It is also known as build verification testing or confidence testing. Key objective of smoke testing. Verify that critical functionality of system work properly. Detect major showstoppers issue early in the testing cycle. Ensure the build is stable enough to proceed with the detailed testing. Sanity testing. Sanity testing is type of testing software performed after minor changes, bug fixes, or enhancement in application to ensure that changes are working correctly and have not impacted the existing functionality. It is subset of the regression testing and focus on verifying specific areas of the software. Key objective of sanity testing: verify that the recent code changes, bug fixes, enhancement, and working correctly. Ensure no issue are introduced in related functionality. Confirm the stability of the specific functionality after minor changes. Exploratory testing. Exploratory testing is an informal hands-on approach to software testing where testers simultaneously learn, design, test, and execute the test without predefined test cases or plan. It emphasizes creativity, intuition, and experience to find defects that might not be discovered through the formal testing techniques. In this testing, the focus is on exploring the application rather than following structured process. Key characteristics of the exploratory testing: simultaneous process, test design, execution, learning happen simultaneously. Ad hoc nature, no pre-written test cases are followed. Testers rely on their skills and intention. Creativity. Encourage out of the box thinking to uncover the hidden issues. Experience driven. Testers are use their domain knowledge and prior experience. Learning oriented tester gain knowledge about the software as they explore it. Black box testing. Black box testing is software testing method where tester evaluate the application functionality without knowing internal code, design, or implementation detail. Tester focus on the input and expected output to validate whether the software behave as expected. Objective of black box testing: validate that software meet the specified requirements, ensure all functionality work as intended, identify issues in user interaction, boundaries, and performance. Ensure the software is user friendly and functional. White box testing. White box testing, also called clear box testing, open box testing, or glass box testing, is software testing techniques where the tester has knowledge of internal structure, design, and code of application. The focus is on verifying the code logic, path, condition, and flow to ensure the software works correctly. Objective of white box testing: verify that code is correct and follow logical pathway. Ensure all condition, loops, branches are tested. Identify hidden bugs or errors within the code structure. Improve the code optimization and efficiency. In our last topic is the security testing. Security testing is a type of software testing that focus on identify the vulnerabilities, risks, threats, and software system to ensure the data and resources are protected from the unauthorization access, breaches, and or misuse. The primary goal is to verify that system is secure and resilient to external and internal attacks. Objective of security testing: identify the vulnerabilities, detect the weakness that attackers could exploit, prevent unauthorization access, ensure data is accessible only to authorized users, protect data integrity, verify that data cannot be altered or corrupted, ensure data confidentially, the protect sensitive information from unauthorized exposure, ensure system availability, prevent downtime due to security breaches or attacks. Thank you for watching. We hope you found video helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed this content, please like, share, and subscribe to share updated more tutorial and software testing tips. Don't forget to click below bell icon to get notified when new video are uploaded. Your support means a lot. Thanks again. Happy testing.